In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a knowledge base in HubSpot. Now to do this, you want to go to your dashboard, and then over here on the left, you want to hover over this button, which is called Service, and you want to click on Knowledge Base from here. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, you want to click on Create a Knowledge Base over here, and that way it's going to allow you to basically create one from scratch. So first, you want to go and give it a title. I'm going to name this one Tutorial Knowledge Base, okay? Just like this, there we go. And of course here you can go ahead and select your language, so I'm actually going to go with English, of course, and you can do whatever you want here. By the way, you can select your domain. I'm going to pick mine over here, and of course you can have the slug if you want to as well. Then you can go and click on next over here, and there we go. You want to select your template, so it could be content rich, tiles, you have minimal, cards, or classic. I'm actually going to go with cards right now, which was the recommended one and pre-selected as well. And I'm going to click on next again. Then here you want to select your categories, so just click on them to select them. I'm actually going to put on getting started, general, frequently asked questions, and all of these down here. And of course you can, as it says over here, they should suggest choosing at least 6 categories to get started, and then click on the next button. Then over here, once this is done, you'll see it's going to say, there we go, you've created a knowledge base. You can then go and click on the done button over here, and you can then go and explore on your own or start a tour. I'm just going to go explore on my own. And then in here, inside your knowledge base, you can then go and create articles. So I can click on create article, for example, and you can then go and create one. You can give it a title up top. You can also go ahead and down here, type in the question and the answer, all the relevant links, etc. And when you're done, you can just publish it after previewing, and that's really all you have to do to start building and creating your knowledge base in HubSpot. Okay, you can add as many of these in here, and that's really all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.